Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to change Gmail address. So first, you just need to open your Google Play Store app, as you can see on your screen, and then tap on your profile icon right there at the top right hand corner of your screen. And as you can see, I'm currently logged in with this account. Now, if you want to change the email username, just tap on the settings right here at the bottom and tap on the general at the top. And here, just need to tap on account and device preferences. So once you tap on this second option here, we just need to wait for a few seconds right here to go to the next page. Now in this page, you can see your current contact email. So if you want to change this one, so tap on the second option right from here. And basically, you just need to change this Gmail address, any name that you want. So basically, just need to type right here, and once you've done, just tap on the save button right there. And once you tap on save, you just need to verify this new contact email address. And that's it. That's how you basically change Gmail address. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.